In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your presentation from Google Slides in any format. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I have here this presentation and I'd like to download it. To do so, just head over to this files option and then scroll down until you see this option called download. Under it, we have quite a number of formats you can download your project into. Now, the best format is Microsoft PowerPoint to download your project. You can also download in form of PDF document and you'll get all your slides. However, for the other formats, sometimes you might not be able to download all the slides in your presentation. So proceed and download in Microsoft PowerPoint. For my case, I'm going to go ahead and download this in form of a PDF document. So if you click on it, you can see here the download will commence, and once it is done, you can go ahead and open. Now here you can see I have my presentation had 12 slides and all of them have been downloaded. And now if I scroll down, you can see all the presentations or all the slides are here. So that's how you can download your presentation from Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.